Stop. If you have been learning English for years but still can't speak a word, this video is for you. You don't need more grammar books, you need a survival kit. Hi everyone, I'm Michelle from Everyday English Channel. Before we start, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my 30-day challenge to help you speak English confidently. Let's get started with episode 1. Have you ever felt frozen when someone asks you a question in English? You try to remember grammar rules, but nothing comes out? Well, I have a secret. You only need these 4 survival phrases to start today. First, the emergency phrase. When you don't understand, don't just smile. Use this. Sorry, can you say that again? It's simple and very polite. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Sorry, can you say that again? Second, if they talk too fast, use this. Could you speak more slowly, please? This helps you stay in control of the conversation. Let's practice. Could you speak more slowly, please? Third, the magic request phrase. When you want to buy something, just say, I'd like, please. For example, I'd like a coffee, please. It's the most natural way to ask for things. And fourth, the teacher phrase. This is my favorite. If you don't know the name of something, just point at it and ask, how do you say this in English? The baker says, oh, that's a napkin. You say, great, a napkin, please. Thank you. See, you survived with no grammar. Now I have a challenge for you. Choose one phrase we learned today and write a sentence in the comments. For example, I'd like a pizza, please. I will check and correct every single comment. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who is also learning English. I'm Michelle from Everyday English Channel. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in episode 2 tomorrow.